just delivered to the wrong house. This was delivered to our house.
Sweet.
So it says Amy, so.
Yeah.
You guys wanna
Open it? Yeah.
grab it? It's not too bad. I bet you and Auburn could probably get it in.
You guys got in here?
Yeah. I had that tape though, so I think the two of you will have to probably.
Okay.
Probably lift it.
Okay, let's lift it and see.
Will you marry me? I'm totally crying. Thank you.
She was just so angry.
Thank you.
Why do I have to answer the door?
Thank you.
Thanks. I'm trying to make her clean in the basement. I was wondering why you were getting mad at me for being angry. Do I have to put it on myself?
No, of course not. I'll put the whole thing on just for now. I'm such a good liar, huh?
Oh my god. How did you get up here?
Okay.
When?
Last night?
Am I dreaming? I thought, how are you texting me? And what,
I
is that
stopped
why you
a lot.
didn't text me? And that's why you asked me about the route the